So I've never been a big fan of heights. But when a group of strangers from Dyalla decided to go cliff jumping together, and especially my better half Sarah is such a thrill seeker, I figured, why not? Yes Theory is this YouTube channel that always encourages people to seek discomfort and try new things. And if it weren't for them and the group, I would never have done anything like this. So, yeah. Sarah, the thought of jumping into the water from a cliff, like I'm seriously already sweating. Are you ready, Sarah? How do you feel?
Feels really good. It's so cold.
I don't want to hold you. Oh. Oh, my balls hurt. I didn't hit my balls this time.
Good.
How'd you feel?
I hit my butt so hard.
But like, was it awesome?
It's really far and fun. Get lost in your rock and roll and drift away.